Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to disable pop-ups in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice three vertical dots stacked on top of each other, which represents the browser's main menu. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing and customizing your Chrome experience. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will open Chrome's comprehensive settings page where you can control everything from your browser's appearance to its security features. The settings page is your central hub for all Chrome configurations, so it's important to familiarize yourself with its layout. Once the settings page loads, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu with several categories. Navigate through this menu and click on Privacy and Security. This section is crucial because it contains all the settings related to how Chrome protects your data and manages your browsing safety. It's where you'll find controls for cookies, site permissions, and security preferences. Within the Privacy and Security section, you'll see various options listed. Look for and click on Site Settings. This area allows you to manage permissions for individual websites, including what content they can display and what features they can access. It gives you granular control over how websites interact with your browser, making it an essential tool for customizing your browsing experience. Now that you're in Site Settings, you'll need to scroll down through the list of options. As you scroll, keep an eye out for an option labeled Pop-ups and Redirects. This specific setting controls whether websites are allowed to open new windows or redirect you to different pages automatically. Once you find it, click on Pop-ups and Redirects to open its dedicated settings page. On the Pop-ups and Redirects page, you'll see radio button options that control how Chrome handles these elements. Click on the radio button next to Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. By selecting this option, you're instructing Chrome to block websites from opening unwanted pop-up windows or automatically redirecting you to different pages. This setting immediately takes effect and will significantly reduce annoying interruptions while you browse. And that's it. You've successfully disabled pop-ups in Google Chrome, giving you a cleaner and more focused browsing experience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.